Welcome to the informative CUBOT Tablet 10, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here ringtone notification volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first, we should press up or down volume button here on the right side of our phone, and after that we should click here on the settings icon. And now we can see here the full section with volume panels, and just by the same way we should hold and swipe to the left side this green dot, and then just to tap to down to save all the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.